So you've got a new GPU and you're too scared to install it. Let me show you how in less than 5 minutes. So what you're gonna do first is obviously loosen the side panel and remove whatever cable is plugged into your graphics card. Once it's removed, you're gonna open it up. Once you've got it open up, you are going to unscrew the graphics card, which is there. Once it's unscrewed, there's a little pin right there. Just there, that silver part, there's a pin. That pin needs to be pushed down. And once it's pushed down, you can easily then remove the graphics card. There we go. Once the old graphics card is removed, you spoil them to a nice treat. So now that we got that out of the way, let's go install. So with that being said, all you have to do now is install the new graphics card. Manual. Yo bra. 2021 calendar bra. Nice touch though. What does it come with? Anti-sag bracket. There's also part of it. Oh, 6 pin to 8 pin. And then here we go. We will be installing this one. RTX 3080. This is the one that will be going in. So without further ado, let's go. Not the rocket science, so here we go. Take the GPU, line it up. Just mind this wires here. Line it up, and then you should hear click. There we go. There we go. There's that click. Once that is done, then take your screws and you screw it fast. That's one. That's two. The GPU takes extra power, so don't forget to put in the two 8 pins. That's one, and that's two. After you're done, reconnect all your display cables. Once it's done, power on. Once you've done that, I need you to go over to Google and search your drivers. Like this is RTX 3080, so I've downloaded the latest drivers from NVIDIA. And then what you're going to do is install them, express installation, and it will then install. So once your drivers has downloaded, you're going to restart now. Just do a quick little restart just so that, everything can settle properly. So now that we've got our GPU and drivers installed, I'm going to run a superposition 1080p extreme benchmark. After that, we'll see if everything runs fine, 100%, everything's stable, and I'll post the scores. So there we go, guys. GPU successfully installed. We've got the score. Like and follow for more.